Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to learn complete SQL step by step. Start by installing a local database and a SQL client so you can practice queries immediately. Focus on select, where, order by, group by, and join while using clear sample data. Schedule short daily practice sessions, build small projects, and review errors to learn faster. This approach keeps learning steady and practical for real tasks. Understand core SQL concepts by designing and exploring small databases with sample tables. Create primary keys and foreign keys, and apply normalization to reduce redundancy. Use indexes and examine query plans to see performance effects on large tables. Run experiments that compare normalized versus denormalized designs and measure query speed. Hands-on design, testing, and review will make concepts stick and help you write efficient, reliable SQL for real work. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support future guides. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is leak-proof and easy to carry, perfect for long study sessions and coding marathons. It keeps drinks cold or hot and fits most cup holders, making practice sessions comfier. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, enjoy it. Now let's get back to the video. Advance your SQL by learning window functions, common table expressions, and correlated subqueries for complex analytics tasks. Practice transactions, locking behavior, and error handling to maintain data integrity under concurrency. Integrate SQL with scripting languages to automate reports and ETL tasks for repeatable workflows. Build real use cases like weekly reports or data pipelines to solidify skills and demonstrate the value of advanced SQL techniques in practical scenarios.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.